you're looking at how to pronounce these names and more confusing names too many people get wrong, stay tuned to the channel. Loads to learn on this channel. Now, in English it's normally pronounced as Saraya. That's probably the most common pronunciation, but of course different individuals, different languages, origins, countries, regions may pronounce it differently as Saraya, Saraya, or Saraya. Saraya is definitely the most common. If you are Saraya or Saraya or Saraya, let us know in the comments how you like it to be pronounced. Let us know, and let everyone know. Saraya, Saraya. And now, you know. Like this video if you found it useful, appreciate the comments and support, and more videos for you to learn more. Thanks for watching.